Hi, I'm Jason. I'm going to show you how to purchase a domain name, put it on a hosting block, actually point it to a hosting block, and then create a WordPress website or any website template and put it into the actual hosting block. First of all, this is a site called guarddogdomains.com where you can basically purchase a domain name. You can get a web hosting plan. There's all kinds of different things like email. You could put your .com email in here and have a professional looking email. But first of all, let's go ahead and start for searching a domain name. Okay, you come in here and you type whatever you want to, whatever your idea is. I'm going to try storefrontpages.com. So that I would put in storefront pages. Okay, and you can see the .coms here. You can also get like info, .net, but the .coms are usually the best ones. Most of them are taken, but you can kind of get lucky and find a few here and there. I put in storefrontpages.com. I'm going to put a quick search, and it's going to actually show that it's taken. And the reason it's going to show that it's taken is because I already own it. So being that I already own it, I can go in here and log in, and I can actually see it in my domain names. Okay, but first of all, I'm going to show you something here. This is under your hosting plans. This is what actually hosts your website. It's what puts it on the actual internet. Here you can see there's different plans. There's the Economy, $279 a month, Deluxe, and Ultimate. We can go ahead and start out with just the Economy. That'll get you going. You can always upgrade. Also here on the website, guarddogdomains.com, they have 24-hour support, which is really good. Basically, they'll help you with anything. But first of all, I'm going to go ahead and log in here. And let's see. Okay. So take just a second. Okay, when we get in here, okay, this is actually your account, okay, and when you're in here, you can see all the different things you can regulate: your domains, your hosting, your email, website builder, which, I wouldn't really use that. I'm going to show you how to do a free WordPress site later on. This is where you kind of get on the internet and, with the searching and all that. There's a lot of other stuff here. You can create a shopping cart where you can sell merchandise, you can sell domains, and a whole lot more. But in this case, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and log into the domain manager. Okay, this is going to show me all the domain names that I have. Okay, when you get in here, you can see there's a long list of them. Okay, I collect them. It's kind of it gets addictive. Every time you have an idea, you want to get a domain name. I'm looking for storefrontpages.com, which is the one that I just typed in there a couple minutes ago. And what I want to show you here is how we're going to point this to the hosting block or the hosting plan. Okay, right now we're at storefront pages. Should be in here. Oh, no, that's yellow page. Okay, let's see. Storefront. Oh, we passed it. Okay, there we go. Okay, so basically I'm going to go ahead and type that in. Okay, what I'm going to show you right here is in the DNS manager. Okay, this is where you point to an IP address where your hosting block or your hosting plan is located. You can see right here, this is my hosting block. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and launch this. And I'm going to show you where to change that if it's not pointed in the right direction, and that's going to be right here. Now you're wondering, where do you get this number, this IP address? Okay, basically what you're going to do, you're going to come up over here to your. I'm actually going to get out of here. Okay, we're going to go to your hosting plan. Okay, and when you log into your hosting, there's going to actually be a little number down here. Okay, this is my hosting block. I actually have a block where you can host quite a few different websites. But down here, it's going to have all your details. It's going to say, this is your server details, your IP address is right here. You just want to copy this. Okay, in here, I'm going to just quick show you, there's quite a few different tools and things you can use and things you can do. This is where you're going to actually load your WordPress site or your WordPress theme to your actual hosting block. Okay, but right now I'm going to go back to the domain names, okay, and I'm going to find storefront pages again, which is going to be a website I'm going to be creating here, actually using a WordPress site. Okay, so we're down here and we're right here at storefrontpages.com. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to log in. I'm going to launch this. And you come in here and I'm going to actually delete it. So this is where you're going to point it to your hosting block IP address. Okay, and you want to make sure you save the zone file. Okay, this is usually going to take about an hour to 48 hours to change this out once you make this change. Okay, now as far as in the actual hosting block or your hosting plan, you actually have to create a folder. There's a couple different ways you can do this. The one way I like to do it is I like to go into my documents. I go to my documents, I type in FTP, // the website, the hosting block, or your website address. Okay, what's going to happen? Now, there's normally a password, but I auto-saved it, so it's going to pop right up here. You come into here, you can see under storefront pages, it's not here. So what I'm going to actually do is I'm going to create a new folder. This is your new folder right here. I'm going to type in storefrontpages.com. Okay, now I actually have a folder right here. You can see there's nothing in it. It's a folder I just created, but this is where I can put my WordPress files, and actually the minute you put them in there, they're going to be online and you're going to have an active site. Okay, so I went over that. You know, how to point the domain name, how to set up the folder in the hosting account. I'm just going to show you another thing here. When you're actually in your hosting account, okay, this is going to be all your hosting details, everything here. You can go to your FTP file manager. This is pretty much the same thing that I did when I was in the My Documents section right here, except for this one is going to be in a little bit different format. I find it to be just a little bit harder to use, but you know, you can come here, you can move your files around, you can copy them, you can create a new file, and pretty much manage everything here. One thing that is nice about this, remember when you're in here, you can always use the phone number up at the top, and they'll pretty much help you with anything, any problems. They'll walk you right through it. I mean, it's just a great thing. I think that's pretty much it for now, but on my next video I'll probably be showing you how to upload a theme and create a WordPress website. So tune in for that. Thank you.